Today, let's see how to compress a large PDF file. Let's check the size of large file.pdf file. Looks like the file size is 25.6 megabytes. Let's compress it. Right-click and open the PDF file with Mac's Preview.app. Don't use Adobe Acrobat Reader in this case, if installed. Once opened in Preview.app, go to Menu Option File and then Export. Ensure PDF is selected in Format field, and from the Quartz filter drop-down field, choose Reduce File Size option. Now let's get the conversion done. Don't change the name of the file. Keep the file name the same. Now when you are trying to save, the application asks if it can replace. Let's confirm the old file size before converting. Go ahead and replace it. Now let's check the compressed file size. As you see, it has reduced to 4.9 megabytes. This way you can reduce the PDF file in Mac. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Share with anyone who might need it, and hit the bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.